Hi, Dad. Hi, Daddy. Say hi.
Hello.
You look good this morning. I wish you would stop frowning. Can I make you smile? Can I make you smile?
He wants to be on camera.
He's gonna be on camera.
All right,
Can I make you smile? Hi, stinky butt. Make him smile, stinky butt. Make him smile. Make that smile. Ah, they gonna smile. Chicka, 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 chicka. They gonna smile. Yeah, you make that smile. How you doing? Hey, world. Yeah, it's me. Hold on, let me look at myself. Sky. Alright, my face a little ashy. Well, not a little, a whole lot. Daddy ain't even trying to tell me, but it's all good, though. Y'all get to experience this. You know what I'm saying? It's not too good. Got a snap coming down there. Alright, anyways. You see me? You see me? Okay. Anyways, I'm on my way to school. Daddy taking me. Thank you, Daddy. Daddy taking me to school and sunshine. How she butt? Yeah. I'm telling you, man, the stuff is just like so hard out here right now. It's like real hard. Especially like this biology class I'm taking. The dude is like, yeah, like, I don't know, schizophrenic or something. Like, he has like 15 different personalities and has no sense of humor whatsoever. The class is just like boring and wasting my money. But thank God I'm not even paying for it, but wasting my time. I say time is money. So, anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on and about.
Yeah, take the snow.
Huh?
Get the snow.
Oh yeah. Y'all see that? This is DC for you. Snowing. This is actually like history. Y'all probably ain't even know DC had like mountains and shit. There's one right there in front of you. Alright, but yeah. I'm just gonna holler at y'all later because I really don't have nothing to say. See y'all. Alright, peace. Hi, Dad. Love you. So mean.